The Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way devices communicate and interact, creating a vast ecosystem of interconnected gadgets. This network extends from smart home appliances to complex industrial systems. In smart cities, IoT plays a pivotal role, utilizing sensors and interconnected devices to optimize traffic management, energy usage, and resource allocation. The impact of IoT on convenience and efficiency is palpable in our daily lives, as smart home devices automate tasks, offering increased comfort and security. Moreover, in industries, IoT facilitates predictive maintenance, real-time data analysis, and streamlined operations. This interconnected landscape not only enhances convenience but also significantly improves efficiency by automating tasks and providing valuable insights, promising a future where IoT will continue to innovate and optimize various aspects of our lives.